Good morning this Tuesday, the 14th of October. I'm Grady Wolf, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street started the new trading week with a strong rebound after President Trump said trade relations with China will be fine, a few days after threatening massive tariff increases on the region. Investor sentiment eased and stocks surged as a result of Trump's message to start the new trading week higher. The S&P 500 added 1.56% on Monday, while the Nasdaq climbed 2.21%, and the Dow Jones ended the day up 1.3%. In Europe on Monday, markets closed higher, led by a mining rally as investors keep an eye on trade negotiations between the US and China. The STOXX 600 rose 0.44%, Germany's DAX added 0.6%, the French CAC climbed 0.21%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.16%. Across the Asia region on Monday, markets closed lower as investors pulled back amid trade tension uncertainty between the world's largest two regions. China's CSI index fell 0.5%, Hong Kong's Seng fell 2.04%, Japan's Nikkei lost 1.01%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day down 0.72%. Locally, to start the new trading week, investor sentiment was dented by Wall Street's Friday tumble and Trump's renewed tariff threats, which led to a broad sell-off on the ASX to start the new trading week, with the key index ending the day down 0.94% on Monday in the worst session since mid-September. Gold scaled to a fresh record high again on Monday amid renewed macro and trade uncertainty, which fueled a buying frenzy among the gold miners on Monday, with Northern Star Resources and Ramelius Resources rising over 1% each, while Regis Resources soared over 7%. Treasury Wine Estates tumbled over 11% on Monday after the winemaker scrapped earnings guidance due to the weaker than expected trading environment in China, with the company also halting its $200 million share buyback, which signals elevated trading uncertainty. Margin contraction hurt Fletcher Building on Monday, with shares in the company falling almost 2% after a trading update unveiled margin contraction in the heavy building material volumes. On the commodities front this Tuesday morning, oil is trading 2.41% higher at $59.64 a barrel. Gold is up 2.3% at $4,105 an ounce, another record high there. And iron ore is up 0.84% at $105.74 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback to buy 65.21 US cents, 99.27 Japanese yen, 48.96 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 14 cents. Ahead of Tuesday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.3%, tracking Wall Street's gains overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has raised a 12-month price target on COG Financial from $2.25 to $2.70 and maintain a buy rating on the diversified conglomerate of Australian distribution businesses, following the announcement that the company will acquire a non-controlling interest in its subsidiary Fleet Network for a consideration of $23.9 million. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on SGH following a formation of a pattern over a period of 16 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $47.80 to the range of $46.60 to $46.90, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Tuesday morning. We hope you have a wonderful day and happy investing.